In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Alipay on Taobao 2025 step by step. Start by opening your browser and heading to login.taobao.com. Sign in with the method that's easiest for you, your account password, a one-time SMS code, or a QR code scan. If you choose QR, open your Taobao or Alipay app and scan the code on the screen to confirm. Make sure you're on the official site and look for the secure lock icon in the address bar before you proceed. Once you're logged in, go to your account settings, hover your mouse over your profile or account avatar, usually at the top right or top left of the page, and click either Account Management, shown as Zhenghao Guanli, or Account and Security, shown as Zhenghao Anquan. Different layouts may label this slightly differently, but you're looking for the place where security and account connections are managed. On the settings page, find the section for linking Alipay. It may be labeled Bind Alipay, Bang Ding Zhifu Bao, or Alipay Account Management. Click this option to begin the connection process. If your browser shows Chinese text, use the built-in translate feature so you can follow along confidently. You'll be asked to enter the phone number registered with your Alipay account. First select your country code, for example +63 for the Philippines, if that applies to you, then type your mobile number without the leading 0. For instance, if your number typically starts with 09, remove the 0 and enter the remaining digits, like turning 0917 into 917. Avoid spaces or dashes to prevent validation errors, and double check that it matches the number on your Alipay profile. Next, complete the slider verification. Drag the puzzle slider smoothly until it snaps into place. If it doesn't verify on the first try, wait a moment and try again. Alipay will then send a 6-digit SMS code to your registered number. Retrieve that code and enter it on the Taobao page before it expires. If the message doesn't arrive right away, give it a minute, confirm you have good reception, and make sure SMS filtering isn't blocking the message. A pop-up will appear asking you to authorize Taobao to connect with your Alipay account, often labeled Show Quan. Review the prompt and choose Agree, Confirm, or Authorize to approve the binding. When authorization succeeds, you'll see confirmation that Alipay is bound, sometimes shown as Yibang Ding. From now on, checkout will be faster, and in many cases, you'll enjoy auto login during payment. If anything seems off, refresh the page, verify the country code and phone number, and try the verification again.